Traffic generation strategies category number 5, question and answer platforms. There are some websites on the internet that enable users to answer questions while other users post questions. These community platforms are very useful, especially when it comes to highly specialized information. I've listed 2 of the biggest examples of these platforms, but there are actually quite a number of them online. Yahoo Answers. At Yahoo Answers, people post questions and then other users can post answers. You can get traffic from Yahoo Answers if you have a level 3 account because you can post a link along with your answer. Pro, very targeted traffic. You can look for open questions that are directly related to your content's niche or your affiliate product's niche category. By answering those questions, you can link to content that promotes affiliate products. Con, if you abuse this platform, you can get banned quickly. Moreover, it takes some time to get to level 3. You have to spend quite a bit of time and effort answering questions and getting selected as the best answer for you to get to that level. Also, questions close, so if enough time passes, the question isn't available for new answers. Quora. This system operates pretty much the same way as Yahoo Answers, except for 2 key differences. First, the questions never close, so even if a question has been posted 3 years ago, you can still post a fresh answer to it. Second, you don't have to have an advanced account for you to post a link. Quora is growing really fast and has actually overtaken Yahoo Answers. Still, if you're abusive, your account can get banned. It's not uncommon for people who keep posting the same link over and over again to get their account deleted and all their links removed. Pro, Quora has a huge reach. It is actually one of the bigger websites on the internet. You can pretty much find all sorts of questions related to a range of niches. By doing extensive research on this platform, you can find all questions related to your niche. These questions also don't close, so even if you just find a question that's been around for a while, you can still submit your answer. It also rewards answers by popularity. If enough people upvote your answer, you can get a lot more views for your answer. Con. One disadvantage of Quora is that sometimes it masks its traffic. You don't know for sure where the traffic is coming from. Your competitors might downvote your answer. Moreover, people can be quite touchy in certain niches regarding promotions, so if they think that you're spamming, your post might get reported.